Hi Olga. After watching your video, I found uh, a strong link between what you want to research and what I want to research. Actually, because everything I teach here at the university back in Manizales is about green supply chain management practices and how those practices could be implemented in medium and small size enterprises. What you said is very interesting, and what you want to do is actually very, very interesting. Like to measure how five big companies, especially in international transportation, are involved with ecological or environmental awareness or practices. Actually, there's a case of a study that I want to handle you because one of those big enterprises could be DHL. There's a case of a study of how they implemented a green transportation freight uh, system in downtown London, where they used bicycles to deliver some small and medium packages in the Midtown area in London, and all the benefits it brought to the company. Also, I wanted to tell you that I found like really accurate all the international transportation analysis you want to do, because even though there are few analyses of how transportation can influence the costs of the whole supply chain management for the companies, and we found that 30% of the costs of any product is related to supply chain management practices and activities, and that 90% of that 30% is strongly related to transportation costs. Uh, also want to acknowledge that here in Colombia, we have no studies of how international or internal transportation emissions can go green, and actually there's no other research about what the costs of transportations could be reduced by implementing some environmental or green transportation practices. So that could be also a good research for you, or if you want to just uh, close the spectrum and define if those big companies are going to be like local companies in France or worldwide companies, or you want to um, do it in Colombia, do it study in Colombia, that would be great too. Well, you have a good day and see you in 2 weeks.